what is assignment operator overloading? See, when you make an operator to do something which is not its usual job, we call it overloading. Like, what is the usual job of an assignment operator? Assigning values. Obviously, when you write k is equal to 15, 15 is assigned to value k, right? But if you try to assign one object to another object, you want to assign the class attributes of one object to another object, this is not the routine job. This is not the usual job of the assignment operator, right? But by coding, if you do so, you are basically overloading the assignment operator. You are making the assignment operator do something which is not its usual job. To understand this concept with an example, let us consider we have a class rect, obviously to calculate area of rectangle, and it has two attributes, length and breadth, right? And to initialize these length and breadth attributes, you are making one parameterized constructor, and you make an object R1 with values 10 and 20. Obviously, these 10 and 20 will be assigned to the parameters x and y. And from there, they will be assigned to the length and breadth attribute of the object R1, right? Similarly, you create another object R2 with certain values assigned to its length and breadth attribute, right? Now, when you write R2 is equal to R1, now what happens is that this equal to assignment operator is invoked by R2 and R1 will be passed as a parameter. So, obviously, the code will be like, you will write void operator equal to, and in the parenthesis, you are asking for a parameter of class rect. Obviously, the object R1 will be passed as reference, right? So you have to use ampersand with the parameter. That is why in the code I am using ampersand z. So the R1 object will be assigned to the parameter z. Again, remember that this equal to, that is assignment operator, is invoked by R2. So in the code of assignment operator overloading, you are assigning the length and breadth of the z parameter, that is R1 object, to the LNB class attributes of the object which has invoked the assignment operator. That is, these LNB are the class attributes of R2 object, right? Now you are definitely asked one question, what is the difference between copy constructor and the assignment operator overloading? I have already explained you copy constructor in the earlier short. The link is in the description box. Make it very clear that in the copy constructor, another object R2 is created through object R1. Whereas in assignment operator overloading, both the objects R1 and R2 should already exist. When you write R0 R1 in assignment operator overloading, the class attributes L and B of R1 will override the values of the class attributes of the object R2. You can confirm it by calculating the area of rectangle of both R1 and R2 objects. You'll find that both the area of rectangles are same. That means the L and B of R2 object are overwritten by the L and B attributes of R1 object. Hence proving that the class attributes L and B are assigned to the class attributes L and B of R2 object.